I can swig that sweet champagne. I'd rather drink beer all night in a tavern or in a hot top when a four-wheel drive tailgate. I got posters on my wall of Skinner, Ken Straight. And some people look down on me, but I don't give a rap. Well, I stand barefoot in my own front yard with a baby on my hip, 'cause I'm a red, and ain't no high gas, bro. Just product of the rains, and I said, hey y'all, and yeehaw. And I keep my Christmas socks on my phone push all year long. 'Cause I know all the words to every Charlie Daniels song. So used to all my sisters, I've been keeping it country. Let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girls like me. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Victoria's Secret, their stuff's real nice. Oh, but I can buy the same damn thing on the Walmart shelf. Half price, still looks sexy, just accept it. As those models on TV, no, I don't need no designer tint to make my man moan me. You might think I'm trashy, a little too hardcore, but in my neck of the woods, I'm just a girl next door. Hey, I'm a redneck woman, ain't no high class, bro. I'm just product of the rains, and I say, hey, y'all, and yeehaw. And I keep my Christmas lights on my phone push all year long. 'Cause I know all the words to every Tanya Tucker song. So here's to all my sisters, I've been keeping it country. Let me get a big hell yeah from redneck girls like me. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Redneck woman, ain't no high class, bro. I'm just product of the rains, and I say, hey yo, anyhow. And I keep my Christmas lights on my front porch all year long. 'Cause I know all the words to every almost seafood song. So here's to all my sisters, I've been keeping it country. Let me get a big hell yeah from that girls like me. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! I said hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Wow, what a mouth on that kid. No, I was trying to think of something to say to be politely mean, but I'm just not going to. You're a good performer. I think everybody loved you. You did a good job. Congratulations.
This is another song we heard a lot throughout the summer, and of everybody that sang it, I think you got the biggest response back from the crowd on the hell yeah part. You did a really good job. You're a good performer, so keep with it. Good job.
Yeah, I guess there's something about a girl your age saying hell yeah that makes everybody else want to say it too. I guess it's okay for you, it's okay for anybody out there to say it. No, you're very cute and you're a good young singer. I'm not sure if you have quite enough to beat the big kids yet this year, but you should definitely keep at it.